Bro, now what the hell is up with the Crown Vic? It won't fucking... It won't start. What the fuck? It ain't the fuel pump because it's engaging. It ain't the battery. Oh, hold on. You know what? Let me see. Oh, yep. Gotta do the Vic like I did my last one. Gotta do like I did my last one. Sometimes you gotta put it in neutral to start it. And other times you probably start it the regular way. Damn, that's a whole lot of car. I gotta get used to the Vic again. There's a whole lot of car.